Found some lake on the stocking report that I've never heard of, and I typed it in and it kept coming back to this little pond. Let's see if we can catch a trout. Let's go. I'm not convinced they put anything in there yet. Well, we're at the Hail Mary spot. Let's see what we can get. This hasn't been stocked a year, probably. More than a year. Oh, fish. Nice brown. Look at that beautiful trout. That is a freaking beauty, dude. Place isn't stocked, but we went out and got one, baby. That's fishing with confidence. Hope you guys had fun. Have a good one. Tight lines.